You're not alone. We've all been there, standing at the front of the class, or even worse, a whole auditorium, with legs shaking like a newborn giraffe trying to walk for the first time. Your palms are sweating, your mouth is drier than the Sahara, and you can feel everyone's eyes on you. Public speaking can feel like facing a pride of hungry lions, especially for us, normal people. But what if I told you that even the most confident speakers started right where you are now? Public speaking doesn't have to be scary. With the right tips, you can deliver powerful speeches and captivate any audience. Look, I get it. We're young. We'd rather be on our phones, maybe scrolling through some hilarious TikToks, the important things in life. But the thing is, public speaking, it's like that secret cheat code to winning at life. Think about it. Whether you're a student trying to ace that presentation, an entrepreneur pitching a killer idea, or even just someone looking for a job, public speaking skills can make you stand out like a lion in a sea of zebras. And it's not just about the big stage. For example, giving a TED Talk or addressing the United Nations. Although, how cool would that be? Public speaking is about confidently sharing your ideas, whether it's with your classmates, your community, or even just that group of friends you're trying to convince to try that new restaurant you discovered. Fact, being a good public speaker can make people see you as a leader. It's true. When you can articulate your thoughts clearly and passionately, people listen. They're drawn to your confidence, your ability to connect, and suddenly, boom. You're the one everyone looks to, the one who inspires. And trust me, the world needs more of that, especially from bright, young minds like yourselves. So, are you ready to unlock your inner orator and unleash your full potential? Let's dive into some practical tips that will have you speaking with confidence and owning every room you walk into. All right, let's address the elephant in the room, or maybe the swarm of butterflies in your stomach. The fear of public speaking is real, my friends. It's as common as finding a jollof rice recipe that everyone agrees on. But here's the secret. Even the most seasoned speakers get nervous. The key is not to eliminate the fear, but to turn it into your superpower. First things first, preparation is your best friend. Know your material inside and out, like you could recite it backward while doing the azanto. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll feel. Visualize success. Imagine yourself delivering an amazing speech. See the audience engaged. Hear the applause. And for those moments when the nerves threaten to take over, remember the power of deep breaths. Breathe in for a count of 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. Imagine this. You're at a party and you strike up a conversation with someone. Are you going to talk to them the same way you talk to your grandma? Hopefully not, unless your grandma is way cooler than mine. The same goes for public speaking. Tailoring your message to your audience is crucial. Before you even start writing your speech, ask yourself, who am I talking to? Are they students, professionals, community leaders? What are their interests, their concerns, their hopes? Once you understand your audience, you can adjust your language, your tone, and even your examples to resonate with them on a deeper level. Think of it like this. You wouldn't serve fufu to someone who's never experienced the joy of Ghanaian cuisine, would you? You'd start with something familiar, something that piques their interest and makes them want to try more. Your speech should be the same. Research is key here. Take the time to learn about your audience's demographics, their cultural background, and any current events that might be on their minds. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to connect with them authentically and leave a lasting impression. All right, so you've conquered your fear, you know your audience. Now it's time to build your speech. Think of structuring a speech like building a house. You wouldn't just start throwing bricks together, would you? You need a solid foundation, a clear framework, and a roof that ties everything together. First up, the foundation, your introduction. This is where you grab the audience's attention from the get-go. Start with a hook, a compelling story, a shocking statistic, or even a thought-provoking question. Make it personal, make it relatable, make them want to lean in and hear more. Next, the walls, the body of your speech. This is where you present your key points, those golden nuggets of wisdom you want your audience to take away. Keep it clear, concise, and organized. Stick to 3 main points, that's usually the magic number, and support each point with strong evidence, examples, and maybe even a little humor to keep things lively. Finally, the roof. Your conclusion? This is where you bring it all home, summarizing your main points and leaving a lasting impression. Okay, confession time. How many of you have practiced your acceptance speech in the mirror, pretending to win an award, maybe even shedding a tear or two for dramatic effect? No judgment here. We've all been there. But here's the thing. Practice isn't just for award-winning actors or Grammy-nominated musicians. It's the secret sauce for anyone who wants to rock public speaking. Remember that speech you crafted with the precision of a master chef? Now it's time to bring it to life. Rehearse it out loud, like you're actually delivering it to a room full of people. Practice in front of a mirror. Record yourself on your phone, or even gather your bravest friends or family members to be your test audience. And it's not just about memorizing your words, although knowing your material helps. It's about finding your rhythm, your flow, your natural speaking style. Pay attention to your pacing, your pauses, your inflection. Are you rushing through important points? Are you speaking clearly and confidently? The more you practice, the more comfortable and natural you'll become. Think of it like learning a new dance move. At first it feels awkward. You might step on a few toes, hopefully not your own, but with enough practice, you'll be gliding across the dance floor with the grace of a seasoned pro. The same goes for public speaking. Let's be real. Nobody wants to sit through a boring lecture. It's like listening to someone drone on and on about their fantasy football team. We've all been there, and it's not pretty. Your goal is to make your speech engaging, interactive, and dare I say, even a little bit fun. Think of it this way. Public speaking is like having a conversation with your audience, not talking at them. Make eye contact, smile, and use your body language to connect with the people in the room. Ask questions. Get your audience thinking, participating, and feeling like they're a part of the conversation. Don't be afraid to throw in a little humor, a personal anecdote, or even a relevant news story to keep things interesting. Keep it concise, keep it relevant, and most importantly, keep it engaging. All right, let's talk about something just as important as the words you say, your body language. Because believe it or not, your body speaks volumes even before you utter a single syllable. Think about it. Have you ever listened to someone who's stiff as a board, avoiding eye contact like it's a contagious disease? Yeah, not exactly captivating, is it? Your posture, your gestures, your facial expressions, they all play a crucial role in how your message is received. First things first, stand tall and proud. Imagine there's an invisible string pulling you up from the crown of your head. Good posture not only projects confidence, but it also helps you breathe better, which is crucial when you're speaking to a crowd. Next, eye contact is key. Don't be afraid to connect with individuals in the audience, making them feel seen and heard. Think of it as having a series of mini conversations with different people in the room. Okay, let's be real. We're all human, and humans make mistakes. It's as inevitable as load shedding during a crucial football match. But here's the good news. It's not about being perfect. It's about how you handle those inevitable slip-ups. Imagine this. You're cruising through your speech, feeling confident and in control, and then it happens. You blank on a crucial point, you stumble over a word, or maybe your microphone decides to take an unscheduled break. Don't panic. The audience is more forgiving than you think. Remember, it's not about never making mistakes. It's about recovering gracefully. Take a deep breath, acknowledge the error with a smile, and keep moving forward. You can even use humor to your advantage. A well-placed joke can diffuse the tension and turn an awkward moment into a relatable one. As they say in Nigeria, the fear of the pot never cooked the food. Public speaking is a skill that anyone can master with practice, patience, and a healthy dose of self-belief. Remember, your voice matters. You have something unique and valuable to share with the world, and public speaking is your platform to amplify your message and make a difference. Start small, stay consistent, and watch yourself grow. Join your school's debate team, volunteer to speak at a community event, or even start by sharing your thoughts and ideas with close friends and family. Every opportunity you take to practice your public speaking skills will bring you closer to unlocking your full potential. Please like and share this video and subscribe to Empower Africa Academy for more educational content.